Alright class, we continue our discussion. Now we are talking about part 2 of your project, developing materials. So after you decided that your own material will be in form of online, for example, or something textbook or something like other kind of supplement materials, this is my suggestion. So when you think you are interested, take for example online learning media material, you can try to search on internet website, try to search out, so that you have many resources, and save those resources in your saving media in your disk, and then try to learn which one is more suitable material that matches to your problem, to students. And then after that, try to make some choices, that is selecting. So try to select which one of those available resources, which one is matching to the problem, to the condition, to the learning objective you have. And then after that, you can make some adaptation. You try to modify, you try to minus or even plus, or even try to combine both 2 or 3 material altogether. I'm sorry, something problem there. Yes. We continue. I'm so sorry. After you're collecting, and then you decided to make a creation to be new, your own material, then try to make a display. Alright, try to make a display. The display here, one by one, you state the first, second, third, and so on. Number 1, you have something. Number 2, you have something. Number 3, you have something. So later on, for the next meeting, I can see, oh well, this is your work. Nice. Your idea here is clear and it is new. You try to develop your own materials as your supplement for teaching your student English. Any questions? If you have some questions, just simply drop to the Slido. Alright. Now we turn to part 3. This is our future work. Next 2 weeks, I guess, we try to validate your material, whether or not you designed your own material is reliable, applicable, usable, and we can use it in the classroom. That is validating. How we do validating here? We can do validating here by first you ask the experts. In this case, the expert is your lecturers. When you are interested in listening material, for example, you can go and discuss to Ibu Dian, Ibu Dian Farijanti. She's available at campus at any time in campus 1 because her office is there. you can ask whether or not the material well. Nice. When you have some input from her, try to modify. After some modification is made, some revision is made, then finally you have to go to school. You have to go to some English courses if your developed material designed for English courses. But if your material is designed for kindergarten school, for instance, then you have to go to kindergarten schools. So, what about if I design my material special for distance learning? Then you can ask some teachers or a teacher who teaches English in distance learning, for example. Yeah, that is trying out. Yeah, so your trial, your practice for the first time using your material, your own material, is called trying out. Yeah, later on, while you're doing trying out, a trial, yeah, you used your own material for teachings, then you will have to collect the comments coming from the students and from the teachers. Yeah, so why we should collect a comment from the student and from the teachers? Simply because teachers will use it for their teaching, and the students will give comments because they are as the learners. They will give you some inputs, they will give you some evaluation, yeah, and the critics and evaluation will be very useful later on for revising again your materials. After you revise your material, which was completely trying out, then again, yeah, revise, and then that is your final project, exclusively, yeah, beautifully done. Good luck for that, and submit your product, those product. Yeah, all right. So this is your final examination. So, is it impossible to finish our project within 2 weeks or 3 weeks? Yes, you are right if you ask me something like that. Therefore, this week you have to create, you have to display the structure of your materials, and then next 2 weeks is your design, yeah, your material and everything must be there. I can show you improvement, and then next 3 weeks is for trial. In simple way, I think, yeah, not in terms of really wonderful enough. No, this is for your exercises, yeah, before you are doing your material development in real life as teachers, or let's say simply in your final exam of thesis writing. All right, so we do the simple one. Yeah, you have something condition something like this one, your learners is like this one, but the material, existing material at school are still something like this one. Therefore, you have to think about the solution, and you create something new material, your own material. After that, you make a try out your material, having comment, revise, done, finished. All right, thank you very much.